Let's watch the Penny Lane walk. It sounds nice place, comfy, chill place. I'm not sure how expensive the rent in there. Red homes, red houses, and there's a lot of car on the street. Very chill and comfortable place. But there's some bumpy things on there, like underwater things or some contraption. Anyway, it's not a long street. That's musical note. Maybe after the Beatles Penny Lane song. But really nice look. Really simple, the red house. Really nice place. And the Beatles or anywhere Liverpool. Penny Lane Development Trust. So in there's barber and bank and maybe some hospital nurse. And nice sky. All the people that come and go stop and say hello. It's nice. What's this? Some towers? Dovedale Towers. Dovedale Towers. Pub. Oh, maybe the Heineken flag. Some pub. Really nice. Really nice building. And there's some street art, but not making dirty. Some shops. Sergeant Pepperoni Hearts, crowd band, some drum, and picture. Very nice. Oh, this is a famous Penny Lane sign. Oh, we see this a lot on many websites. End of the street, Penny Lane. And there's a statue of John Lennon, imagine. Right, it's a nice place, Penny Lane. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe for next one.